if I can play the guitar 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까 네가
Look at me, I'm so pale!
At ngayon, nandito na kami.
Ate, ang init.
Ang gaganda, lakas makapalasyo ng lugar na to, ate. Excited na kami. Wala kaming gustong sayangin oras, diba?
Hi guys!
I-upload mo yung Kayla, ha?
I-upload
At
na
ngayon, pupunta na kami sa unang ride namin.
Ano bang first ride?
Maghanap tayo ng available dun sa Kabayo Maganda kasi dahan-dahan.
Pag hindi kami nakita sa ano mo.
Nakita mo kami.
Dito na muna!
At ang daming naka-red. Sasabog na.
Ang dami naka-red.
Color of the day red.
Girl, if I can play the guitar 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까 네가 내 가사가 되면 Then I'll make a lullaby for you While you're sleeping Like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran Yeah, I'll make a lullaby for you While you're sleeping Like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran Yeah, 미안하지만 얼굴은 닮을 생각 없어 주황색 머리도 맘에 안 들어 내가 원하는 건 그 녀석의 목소리와 재능 기타는 만져본 적조차 없어 내가 원하는 건 어디 아무도 안 오는 곳에 내 깜
Hi guys! It's our third ride! Yay! Yes!
Pambili na namin to, guys! Hey, wait lang! Kasama dapat ako dyan.
Third ride na namin.
Hey, third round. Ako na kami. Loy ko. Didoking ko. Ano sila? Sumama yun sa iba eh.
Ang init. Ang init. So yung...
Open na? Tara, go. Tunahan natin na. Uy, wait lang. Maximum. Uy, wala yan.
Wala yan!
Wala yan.
Uy, ba't ako una dito?
Kahit pandak kayo kaya niya.
Then I'll make a lullaby for you While you're sleeping Like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran Yeah, I'll make a lullaby for you While you're sleeping Like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran, like a hair Sheeran Yeah
One hour later.
This is only the exposition. This is only a comma at the beginning. I know you're getting caught in your feelings. Yeah, but the rest of the story's yet to be written. It's getting harder to function. You've been scraping and crawling, begging for something, and then if you was nothing. But this too shall pass. Yeah, this too. It's not forever, it's a fleeting symptom. Just a condition of the circumstances you're in. Been self-destructive from the pure frustration. On and off again. Will you let me heal your heart? Or let yourself fall apart? Will you be inside of the feeling? Will you take a chance though it's one in a million? I promise you'll be alright. We'll take like the harder you try, the less you're giving. You're just wishing someone would listen. So I'm right here to listen. When it's cold, when it's raining, and you fall on the pavement. Oh, no, it's not for nothing. Cause the true destination's not the dream that you're chasing. No, it's who you're becoming. Will you let me heal your heart? Or let yourself fall apart? Will you be a savior instead of the villain? Will you let the worst be a brand new beginning? I promise you'll be alright.
Ayan natin.
Make a wish!
But it's not in a time, and this is only the exposition.